Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome to Tony's Kitchen. This is Eating Travel with Tony. And of course, that's what I do here on this channel. So of course, if you like that kind of stuff, you want to see somebody, of course, creating some awesome meals and things like that. And of course, traveling, make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point on here on out. And if you ain't seen the ones I did before, please go check those out as well. Today, we're actually going to be making some Crockpot chicken and dumplings. So I already in the Crockpot. I'm going to show you this shortly, but I already got a whole onion and the chicken in the crock pot too. But like I said, we're definitely making chicken and dumplings. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. And this is a really quick, easy recipe for any busy family. Of course, cook it in the crock pot. You don't have to sit here and watch it all day long. You can put this in the crock pot and then go ahead and go to work. When you come back, it's done. So like I said, that's what we're doing today. So like I said, this is chicken and dumplings. And like I said, I already have, we had got a pack of boneless chicken thighs, and I think chicken legs, I think is what it was in the pack. So I put that in here, as you see all the chicken on top. But on the bottom, I did put all the onions. I did chop one whole onion just to let y'all know again. So like I said, that's in there too. So we're going to go ahead and season this bad boy. I already actually have it on. I turned it on high. Well, I will turn it on high because the chicken is still kind of frozen. I didn't unthaw all the chicken, y'all. And like I said, that's just me. You don't have to do that. But like I said, definitely... I didn't unthaw all of it, so of course it may take a little bit longer to cook, but that's why I turned it on high, so it can cook like that. So you can leave it on low to cook for 6 to 8 hours, I believe. On high, about 4 to 5 hours, I would say. So, but like I said, I'll turn it back down a little bit later on. But right now I'm just seasoning, and you can use the seasonings of your choice. Just keep that in mind. You don't have to use the seasonings I'm using. I did use, since we have a chicken recipe. This is gone now. It's the chicken, what's it called? Kicking chicken seasoning. I use that. And I used a little bit of this mojo rub as well. But of course, I have some poultry seasoning and some garlic, because I know that's what the recipe called for, and the Italian seasoning as well. And I have a little bit of pepper that I'm going to be adding in here too. But like I said, if you like other kind of seasons, go ahead and add that on in there, y'all. You don't have to use the same kinds that I'm using. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But like I said, use what you have. And here's some garlic, because I know that's in the recipe too. There we go. Then the poultry season. I don't know if this does have a lid to it. I wasn't sure. Let me see, because I've only used it once, maybe twice. I don't want to put too much in there. I'm not sure how much to put, but there we go. And then I'm putting Italian seasoning in here too, y'all. That's what the recipe called for as well. Looking at this bottle, we have to get some more of this at some point soon. But so I've added that, and with this recipe, I'll have all the ingredients down in the description box as well, because I'm just showing you how to put this together. But on this video, but the ingredients will be down in the description. So like I said, I have my whole onion. I have a pack of chicken, and this is boneless chicken. I would not advise to put chicken with bones in here, because you don't want to be picking through it and trying to figure out where the bones are and all that. Just use boneless chicken. Like I said, this is thighs and legs, but you can use chicken breasts that work the same way as well. And I have 1 cream of chicken condensed soup, and I have 1 of celery as well. Both of those are going up in here. I'm opening these cans right now. We can get them on in there. Uh-oh. Oops. There we go. Like I said, I'm just dumping this on in here, y'all. And this is one of those dump meals that you don't have to really worry about getting everything in order, trying to figure out everything and make sure everything is in a specific arrangement. But like I said, definitely want to make sure that you get these 2 cans in there. You're not going to mix it with any water or anything right now. You're going to actually put some chicken stock in here. Or if you don't have chicken stock, you can add water as well. You may have to put a little bit more seasons in your food, but you could definitely use the water too. If you don't have chicken stock, I do have chicken broth or stock. I bought that this morning. It's the unsalted, just the regular Walmart brand. It's the unsalted kind, the Walmart brand. So, like I said, you can get whatever kind you want. If you want a regular brand, Swanson or someone, get that. But I don't try to put a lot of high costing ingredients into my food, because I know when I do cook, of course, sometimes the meals can be kind of expensive. It just depends on what it is. And buying some of those ingredients can be, can be high too. So, like I said, I want to keep my costs low and your costs too. So, So like I said, these cans were probably like 78 cents, 88 cents, I believe, at Walmart this morning. Like I said, you don't have to break your pocket. So, and this was this chicken broth. This is the Walmart, the Great Value brand. And this was like $1.58, I believe, this morning too. So, like I said, you don't have to go broke, y'all. Just keep that in mind. I definitely don't want you to. Uh-oh. See how many ounces this is. 32. Okay. I'm pouring about half of this in there, y'all. It takes 2 cups for this particular recipe. Uh-oh. And I made this before, y'all, just in case y'all wonder, like, why she ain't measuring this, why she ain't doing that. I've actually made this a few times before. I don't think I've made it on video for you all, so I decided to do that today. So, but like I said, I have made this before. We've had this particular recipe before a few times, back in St. Louis and here in Arizona, I believe. So I've made it before. So I kind of know what I'm doing with this, y'all. Trying to get this spoon. There we go. Trying to set it on up there. Okay. And then, we got our veggies. And I just bought the bag of mixed vegetables that has carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. Got that from Walmart this morning. It's a 2-pound bag as well. And it was probably about $2.50 at the most. Just to let y'all know. But I'm pouring that in here too. And just keep in mind, this particular recipe, it doesn't call for a lot. You don't have to do a lot. Like I said, it's mainly just like one of those dump meals that you're pouring all the food into and all the ingredients into. And, of course, it'll cook while you're gone. But like I said, it's definitely easy. The only thing you have to do, and I'll show you the end part with the biscuits, because you do got to top this bad boy with biscuits and let that cook too. So that's the only thing different you'll have to do for this particular recipe. And let me, I'm going to actually put some more broth up in here. Uh-oh. I want a little bit more broth up in here, y'all. Just to make sure everything is getting covered. And there we go. Okay. And like I said, that's all with that recipe. All I'm going to do right now is just let this go ahead and cook. So like I said, I did turn it on high, so it's going to cook. I'm going to let it cook about 4 hours on high, but of course I'll turn it down in the afternoon because I'm here working from home today. So I'll be able to turn it down today on low during my lunch break or something like that and let it go ahead and simmer and cook from there. But like I said, that's all this recipe calls for right now. So I'll be back with y'all in about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. And like I said, I'll let y'all know what's going on and how to put these biscuits and how to make the actual dumplings for this chicken and dumpling crockpot recipe. So, but before I get off, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And then, of course, click the notification bell to receive all the videos that I upload from here on out. Peace out, y'all, and I'll see y'all in a few hours. Well, I have a little notification at the bottom. So once it goes off, then I'll see y'all in 4 hours. Okay, peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all shortly. All right, y'all, we are back, and this is the dumpling time. Just to let y'all know, in order to make the dumplings, you can take 1 can of biscuits. That's what this is. I use the flaky biscuits, the flaky biscuit dough. They have like the little layers. So I love the layers. So I use that, and of course, cut each biscuit in a fourth. So it's 4 of these, make 1 biscuit. And we're going to put that into the crock pot. So let me go ahead and set this down. And go ahead and start putting these dumplings into the crock pot for y'all so y'all can see exactly how this bad boy is made. And like I said, this is the only intensive step that you'll have when it comes to making this particular recipe, because you do have to put the dumplings on top. But as you see, of course, it is boiling to death, and it is definitely done to a certain extent. So like I said, these biscuits have to be in here for at least an hour. They have to cook on top. And all I'm doing is just placing the biscuits around the crock pot on top, y'all. No rhyme or reason, but just doing it as I go along. And like I said, these have to sit on top of this, the chicken mixture, or the chicken crock pot milk. What am I trying to say, y'all? It has to sit on top of her for an hour, at least an hour, until you notice the biscuits are done. So you make sure that you keep your lid on this crock pot so that the biscuits can, of course, cook and can, of course, rise. And like I said, that'll take about an hour. Do come back and check on it about an hour. If the biscuits do not look done, then give it another 10 to 15 minutes. Another 10 to 15 minutes, just in case it's not done, y'all. Because I've had that happen before too, and sometimes it does happen. Depends on the crock pot too. So like I said, definitely come back and check on it just in case it's not done in that hour. But like I said, this is all I'm doing for this is just putting the biscuits on here. Like I said, there's no rhyme or reason, but it will go ahead and cook. I'm going to go ahead and put the crock pot lid back on that. So it's going to take an hour to go ahead and get done, y'all. And like I said, if I don't see it, if I don't see the biscuits completely done in the hour, I will leave it in there. I will leave it the way it is, cooking the way it is, for another 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure. So, like I said, that's the only part you'll have to do for this particular crock pot meal. Otherwise, everything else is mainly just about done inside the crock pot. The chicken, of course, is tender and falling apart, that kind of thing, too. The veggies are done. Everything else is, like, mixed together very well and smells doggone good in this house. So, like I said, the biscuit dumpling part was the last part to, of course, assemble. So, give it an hour, 15 minutes, just in case it's not all the way done. And then check it out. Then go ahead and eat, y'all. So, I'll be back in about an hour, 15 minutes. Hey y'all, welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. Of course, I'm here with the Crockpot chicken and dumplings, and it is done. So let me flip this on around and show y'all. I have to get the top off too. I'm not going to be able to try it because it is hot, y'all. So I am not going to try this today. But like I said, it's definitely done. Check that out, check that out, check that out. I'm going to go ahead and cut off my crock pot so it can cool down. And once we have leftovers and get our dinner, we can go ahead and put everything back up. So, but like I said, it's definitely done. Look at that, y'all. Those biscuits are brown, 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 y'all. Looks so beautiful. And it's still sizzling, y'all. Still sizzling. So I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Like I said, this was the crock pot chicken and dumplings. Let me put my top back on there. The crock pot chicken and dumplings. So let me know in the comments if you're going to make this this particular recipe, this crock pot recipe for your family. And if you do, let me know if you like it. So again, this is Tony's Kitchen with Eat and Travel with Tony. So make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from here on out. Have a good one, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.